I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to delete Prezi's account. For that, you'll need to open up web browser. You can use any web browser you want. For now, I'm going to use Google. After you open up your web browser, search prezi.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on Prezi's website. Be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top right. Go to settings. There on top you'll see the option of menu. Tap on it and select profile. After tapping on profile, scroll down and there you'll see the option of delete account. Tap on it. If you are sure you want to delete your account, enter your password to confirm. After you enter your password, select delete account. Now you'll receive an email from Prezi saying that your account has been deleted. This way you can delete your Prezi's account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.